Today we are making a beautiful handprint dish using air dry clay. You won't believe how easy it is to make. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and like our video. For making DIY handprint dish, you will need air dry clay, a rolling pin, a craft knife or something to cut around with, some paint color and a paintbrush, a bowl for molding. You will also need some parchment paper. So let's begin. I'm using a parchment paper so that the clay doesn't stick to the surface. Take your air dry clay and knead it until it's soft. Roll your clay now using a rolling pin, about 1/4 of an inch thick. Trace your hand on the rolled clay. Cut the shape out using a craft knife. Remove the excess clay. Smooth the clay using water. Now gently place the clay onto a bowl. You can create a design. I'm making a beautiful flower. Allow it to dry for 24 to 48 hours. Gently remove the handprint from the bowl. So just paint it with your favorite color. Just remember, this is only for decorative purpose, not for eating. Allow the paint to dry. And now your pretty handprint dishes are ready. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.